in the PVL, the Zeus Coffee Thunderbells, Thea Gagate, and AC Minor. Number 2 na lang ngayon.
Grabe.
Yes. Number 2 na lang ngayon, pero for a long time in this conference, and number 1 ang Zeus. Okay, bago natin pag-usapan yung team and yung matchups and quarterfinals and all that, mangangamusta muna kami. AC, tell us, how's your rookie year so far? Tell us about, how have you integrated yourself as a professional? Alam namin, tanong na namin yung mga ganyan tanong when you were new, pero ngayon na medyo nakarami-rami ka ng laro and exposure sa PVL. What has been the difference? What has been your experience as a rookie so far?
So far, it's been very great. I've experienced a lot of things na I haven't experienced before in my career, not just in college. Siguro, kasama na yung team ko sa semifinals, which is before, parang ang hirap makita kung saan team ako sa semis. So, I'm very proud na semis kami, and I think yung nagawa namin this past on tour na conference, naging maganda for our start.
Pero sa'yo muna tayo, like what are some of the things na sabi mo mga hindi mo pa na-experience now as a pro, other than the winning part, just sa'yo, you personally?
I think I'm pushed to my maximum talaga every game. Before nung college, napupush ako pero not as much as I would want. Pero here sa pros, ang dami kong kasamang with a lot of experience, been playing the sport for a lot of years na. So parang ako, may natututunan ako sa kabilang side na hindi lang sa skills, sa maturity din and sa attitude towards the game.
Baga na-challenge ka no? And not just your opponents, but your teammates as well, di ba? Ka-practice mo rin si Thea. How about you, Thea? I think the last time you were here, we spoke about your experience na rin sa Alas, di ba? Yung international stint mo. Ngayon, na you're on your second year naman as a professional. Ano yung mga, kumbaga, changes na naranasan mo siguro as a more veteran type of player with the younger ones?
Well, as of now, I'm very happy na yung sila AC, Riza, nag-stand out sila. Kasi at least they're gaining experience with that. And for me, I know that they've been given more time on the court, but at the same time, I want to help them na, magbigyan ng experience sila, ng mga tips when it comes to pressure games, and I'm just really ready to play as much as I can.
Okay, so, what has been parang the major difference for you individually, personally, on your second year as compared to all the expectations from the first year, as of course, the number 1, history, all of that? Anong naging parang difference para sa'yo individually dito sa second year mo?
Well, I feel like nandun pa rin talaga yung pressure, and it's honestly hard kasi you expect other people na pag nandun ako, kailangan may gagawin ako. Parang ganon. So, it's a challenge for me, but at the same time, recently I've been trying to just accept and work on what I can do, and at the same time, help my teammates nga, lalo na sa mga bata na middles, kasi parang ganun din naman ako before. So, thankful lang din ako na, nagsistep up sila, and I'm just happy to be there as a guide.
Mas matindi ba ang pressure ng second year sa first year?
But for me,
Sa'yo. Mas matindi ang second year? Okay. Interesting.
Yeah, kasi minsan, I guess, parang they expect the improvement palalo, di ba? From your leap from your first to second. But you've done well dito sa Reinforced Conference. Let's talk more about this tournament, no? Meron kayong mga achievements na for the first time, di ba? You were able to beat, for example, Creamline, that game against the Cool Smashers. Tell us about that, AC. You've probably played them a couple of games already, di ba? No, on tour. And then now dito sa Reinforced, and then finally you got the win. First time.
May mga signs na yan, di ba? Natutulak nyo na natutulak. Finally, nakuha nyo yung win, no? Tell us about that experience.
Very good kasi Creamline, especially established na sila na team. So, they're really the team to beat, I guess, when you're playing against them with the PVL. So, winning against Creamline, again, galing no on tour, was a great feeling for us kasi isa siya sa nakaboost, one game na nakaboost na moral namin, kaya nakarating kami sa yung kung ano level ng confidence namin sa preceding games.
Kaya ano nag-iba this conference? Tell me what was the feeling going into this conference? And then, tell me what has worked sa nakikita nyo, even before the loss, you know, sa nakikita nyo, ano yung parang, uy, ang ganda ng mga linalaro. Anong nakita nyo nagbago sa training or anything like that?
Yeah, well, in training, I feel like it's just the same. It's just
Really?
more of, we're more hungrier this conference. Kasi yung nga, last conferences, nakikita na namin yung chance nga na, kaya palang pantayin. So parang yung mindset namin, tinatry namin na, okay, lagpasan natin, talunin natin. Goal is like, all the teams kung kaya. So parang, thankful din kami na yun nga, madami kaming bagong additions. Like,
Of course, yes.
sila Ate Eroa. So, mas maganda yung dynamics namin sa mga bata ay matatanda. And at the same time, madami din kaming natututunan sa mga in-game adjustments, yung mga pressures. So, yeah.
Did you expect though to be at 7-1? Or to, you know, no.
No.
What were the parang realistic expectations sa inyo going into the season?
Maybe goal namin is, yun nga, makakuha ulit kami up to the quarterfinals. And then, syempre, hindi lang namin masyadong nag-jump doon. Wino-work on talaga namin isa-isa. And yun nga, ngayon na nandito na naman kami, hopefully, tuloy-tuloy and makapunta naman kami sa next na which is semifinals. Yeah.
Pero hindi nyo inaasahan yung 7-1. You did not. Pero sarap na feeling, di ba?
Oo naman. Sino ba yung mga matatandang sinasabi niyo? Joke lang. Ano pangalanan? Ito yung recent game nyo, pag-usapan natin. You got that player of the game, di ba? Bounce back win after your first loss in the tournament. Tell us about it. I mean, how does it feel that you ended the elimination round, getting that POG and that great game heading into the quarterfinals?
For me, it's a very big boost for our confidence, especially mine. Kasi I think nung game namin sa Signal, not I think, like I did, based on the numbers, I did pretty bad. It's like my worst output throughout the whole conference sa Signal. So yung naging goal ko lang with NXL is just play my game and I think hindi magpatalo sa sarili ko. I think that's what yun yung mali ko nung Signal game. So this next game, isip ko lang do my job and just do what I can do to help the team play my role and naging POG siya. So yun yung naging good output.
You know, I'm so happy for you because obviously I saw your struggles in college. I covered me and Dip. I had the pleasure of covering your collegiate career, and I've been saying this from the start. Nung parang sabi ko, you really parang embraced this professional career, didn't you?
Yes,
Tama ba yung impression ko? The parang na you are playing with more freedom here in the professional ranks. Is that what it is? Are you more comfortable? Ano ba?
Yeah, I guess you can say na mas comfortable ako here, pero I guess siguro wala na yung school sa busy days ko, for sure. And then, professional life, parang wala nang name ng school na nakatay sa movement ko. Parang it's just me, my career. So, I guess mas walang pressure for me here, I think, kesa sa
kaya loose na loose yung laro mo, ano?
Back in your natural position at that.
Yun pa. Kitang-kita namin eh. So that's why I want to say that I'm so happy for you.
Right.
And by the way, you are still wearing blue.
Oh, blue pa rin. Kaya tayo
Hindi mo matakas, so medyo bago.
tayo. Alright, we'll talk about your team and of course yung quarterfinals, so stay with us. Ladies, more with the Thunderbells when we return. Stay tuned. You're watching Starting Line.